Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Code Mode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about inside computers, and in today's class we will learn about an important concept called download versus install. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and follow our channel on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more courses and videos like this. All you have to do is to click subscribe button. Let's begin. When we purchase a computer, it comes with many system softwares like operating system, Microsoft Windows or Android on your phone, on your mobile phone. However, application software is added on top of it. Nowadays, in majority of the cases, a software is downloaded and installed on your computer. So when the programmer or the creator of the software makes some changes, improves his or her software, they release a new version and you go and again download a new version and install it. In old days, the application softwares used to come in a CD or a floppy disk, which is a type of storage device on which you will store all the computer programs. You insert the CD in your laptop and install all the software programs. With the invention of internet and better data speed, people started getting away from CDs, these external disks, and started downloading it directly over the internet. Now, not every software program is downloaded and installed. For example, if you are browsing Facebook is an application software that is created by Facebook and you are the user. You have two choices. You can download the Facebook app on your phone and use it. And in that case, you are downloading it. But if the software is updated by Facebook, you will have to go and download it again and to get the latest version. But on the other side, you can also browse the facebook.com and get almost all the features. And in that case, you are not downloading and installing anything. You are getting the latest version of the software all the time. Now, the one major difference between these two is the software that you download, in majority of the cases, it has better control on your hardware because you have downloaded it. And also for the security reasons, you have the software, since you downloaded and installed, you gave permissions to the software to work with your hardware. So they give you a better experience. On the other side, if you are not downloading a program and using it over the internet in a browser, then the browser has very limited control on your hardware. That means you're limited to what browser can provide, what features browser can provide. Now the advantage of it is, if a software program is updated, if Facebook has updated and released a new version, you don't have to download anything. Automatically, next time you visit the website, the newest version is available to you. And in the IT world, in the software world, it is important to understand that you can either download a software and download and install it, or you can browse it over the internet without downloading and installing it. That's all in today's class. If you have any question on any of this concept, feel free to ask or post a question in the community forum, and somebody like me or another student like you would be happy to answer. I would also encourage you to take time and solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Today, this is the last session on the Inside Computer chapter. In the next class, we will learn about binary numbers. Very exciting. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Happy learning. Bye-bye.